All right, guys, let's talk about rhyming words. I'm going to say two words. If they rhyme, if they sound the same at the end, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, give me a thumbs down, okay? Tip, lip, thumbs up. Test, rest, yes. Shoe, blue, yes. Coat, boat, yep. Feet, foot. No, we got eat and ut, so the vowel sounds different. Ramp, camp. Yes. Fast, slow. No. Red, green. Nope, they're both colors, but they do not sound the same at the end. Sad, bad. And I'm going to give you one to answer a question about. Bed, head. Does it rhyme or not? Do your question. Now we're going to talk about onset and fluency. That means what does this word start with? What sound do you hear at the beginning? Okay? Lip. Ooh. Right, it has the L sound, the ooh sound. Nice. Pup. Run. Top. T. My. Nod. Quit. Qu. Set. S. Cup. K. Good. All right, we're going to blend some words together. I've got two words. I'm going to put them together to make a compound word. I want you to tell me what the compound word is, okay? Sun, burn. Sunburn. Foot, ball. Football. Roof, top. Rooftop. Birth, day. Birthday. Work, book. Workbook. Week, end. Weekend. Day, dream. Daydream. Rain, coat. Raincoat. Home, work. Homework. Black, top. Blacktop. All right. Now I'm going to say a word, and then I want you to say the word, but when you say it, I want you to emphasize the last sound. Say that last sound really loud, okay? Ride. Ride. Good. Hat. Hat. Wall. Wall. Tub. Tub. Mop. Mop. Cuff. Cuff. Give. Give. Crumb. Crumb. Pack. Pack. Class. Class. Good. Okay, I'm going to say a word, and I want you to split it into two words, okay? I have a compound word. Break it up. Goldfish. What are my two words? Gold, fish. Basketball. Basket, ball. Lifesaver. Life, saver. Teapot. Tea, pot. Downpour. Down, pour. Car sick. Car, sick. Underwear. Underwear. Upstairs. Upstairs. Wallpaper. Wall, paper. Watermelon. Watermelon. All right. Now we're going to substitute a word. That'll change the word, okay? I have the word goldfish. Goldfish. I'm going to change the gold to star. Change gold to star, starfish. Change star to shell, shellfish. Change shell to sun, sunfish. Change sun to jelly, jellyfish. Change jelly to cat, catfish. Change cat to blow, blowfish. Good. All right, I want you to add a word to my word that I have, okay? Air. Add craft, aircraft. Work. Add book, workbook. Down. Add stairs, downstairs. Rain. Add drop, raindrop. Over. Add night, overnight. Hand. Add shake, handshake. Head. Add ache, headache. Sea. Add shore, seashore. Suit. Add case, suitcase. Snow. Add flake. I want you to choose the right answer. What word does it make when I have snow and add flake? All right, we're going to delete some words now. I have a nice long compound word, and I'm going to take part of it off and see what's left. Fingernail. Take off nail, finger. Railroad. Take off road, rail. Seafood. Without food, sea. Washroom. Without room, wash. Black top. Without top, black. Downtown. Without town, down. Everyone. Without one, every. Bookcase. Without case, book. Playhouse. Without house, play. Afternoon. Without noon, choose the right answer. All right, here's the sentences. I'm going to say it, and I want you to say it just like me. If I'm excited when I say it, you say it excited. If I'm questioning, you be questioning, okay? After you say it, we're going to count the words and see how many words are in that sentence. I have friends at school. I have friends at school. 5 words. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. 4. I share with my friends. I share with my friends. 5. I try hard at school. I try hard at school. 5 again. My eyes help me learn. My eyes help me learn. 5. This school is great. Wanted to check to see if you were going to say it excited. This school is great. Do you like books? Do you like books? I love books. I love books. Choose how many words are in that sentence for your question. See you tomorrow.